He broke like that.
And he smelled something down here, looked like went in the woods. There, I see it.
You see it?
Yeah, I see it. It's there in the pine tree on the ground.
Between us?
Yes.
Can I shoot it?
And he's heading right to it.
It's coming to you. Okay.
Well, I ain't gonna shoot it on the ground.
We're coming back.
Get it in.
How'd he fly?
He was hit, but
Hit down too.
well, I see feathers flying, but that son of a gun ain't gonna let go.
Did he come out there flying good?
Yeah, he flew good.
That's one of them Manchurian ones I was telling you about.
Oh yeah.
That's one of the ones I want to see what they're going to do. Yeah, he flew good.
Well, I tell you what, he's tough, son of a gun.
I needed them number 4s for him.
Well, I got. That son of a gun is.
He's not going to come out of that tree. I'm still trying to fly. There he goes.
Dead bird.
Dead bird. That's the stuffing bird I ain't seen.
Dead bird. Over here, Annie. Dead bird. Down in there. Over here. Over here. Dead bird. Annie, come here.
Here comes Annie.
It's on the ground. Annie, come. Dead bird down here. 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 Go get it. Oh.
Good boy, Connor.
Did he get it?
Yeah, got it. Here.
Come here, Annie. Over here. Come on. Over here.
Here, boy.
Come here. Annie, come. Come here.
Connor found it.
Look at here. Look what he found. Look here what he found.
There it comes. Out. Annie,
Annie, come here.
you're so excited you can't see what's in front of your own face.
That ain't no little bird.
Well, that's a pretty one.
She's used to hunting quail, ain't she?
That's the only thing she's ever seen, a quail.
Yeah.
Is that crossed or?
No, that's pure. This is a Manchurian. The cross should be, I think it's down that little field. It might be up there.
I'll tell you what, that was a shameful shooting. I was aiming right at it, and I guess it's too far away.
I think that was the thing. We were too far away.
You really gotta know how the gun shoots, that's what you gotta do. That's gonna make a difference. I'm gonna put the dogs in the pond real quick. Come up. Got one attracting. Hard to tell how far it's gonna run though. Let him up.
Annie, over here.
Let him up. Where's he at?
She smells it right there.
Okay. Where's he at, Gunny?
Hey, he's on the ground.
There we go. All right, man.
Back here. Bird's over here. Come on. Over here.
You've used that thing so much, she took off running. Dead bird.
He helps, but she don't.
Oh, he probably will. Gunner, bring me dead bird.
Drop. There you go.
Usually he don't drop.
Good boy. Good boy.
He won't drop it till it's about right here from him. Right here. I want that bird. Give me that bird. Come on. You let it run?
He's going.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Out. Good. Good. Good boy. Come up.
Andy, over here.
This is what I like about this field here. You got trees.
Yeah.
You might not be able to, yeah, everybody not able to shoot.
Randy, do you get do any hunting yourself?
I do. I actually got my guide that helps me a lot. I got him coming in the morning. We're going to do work on his dog a little bit, my pup.
Nice.
I'm not going to work these two, but they don't need it. The pup, she needs it. I got a.
She's on point right there.
Where at?
Right on the other side of the tree.
All right.
You know what?
Just get ready before you shoot either way. Right on the tree. Look at that. Look at that. Skip. I don't see it. It must be under this tree.
I don't see Elijah. I'm on the other side of the tree. Well, don't aim back towards me. I'm not.
She says it's underneath her. Got her. Yep.
Go.
Get it, Piper.
Go.
Bird. Bird. Got her. Dead bird. Got her. There. I don't see it, man. I got it in there. Okay. I don't see nothing in there, but that dog's still there. Ain't no way for her, can't be. Yeah. There it is. Get it?
Got it.
Good job, good job. Where was it at?
Right in here. Yeah, I couldn't tell it come out from underneath and went right up. Made a curve.
That bird on me.
There's another one right there. Good job, girl.
Good job, Bill. Well, there was Chuck. It's right there. If you don't find it, that's fine.
Bring it here.
We'll find it. If you see somebody else, will pick it up. That bird on me. Good job, Piper.
Bring it here, Andy.
Good job, girl. Good job. Here, brother.
Dead bird. Bring it here.
Good boy.
Go.
They find it?
She probably won't pick it up. Where's it at?
Keep running over. That bird. There you go.
Dead bird in here.
That bird. Get up, Piper. Got it in. Andy's froze.
She pointing it.
Dead bird.
Bring it here.
Buddy, you want this one down, have you?
They're chasing something.
Well, Andy's got a hold of it, I think. But come here. Bring it here.
He's got it. Oh, it's running. Dead bird.
Yeah, 'cause that, you a good fan.
He's got it. Got it, bird. That's what it was. She'd get it. If you go to get a new bite, it'd take it. Got it. Bring a bird.
Get on that gun,
They dropped it at my feet once. Don't drop it. Right here. There. There. Yeah, you gotta hold it. Let me hold it. Hold it where you put it in. Yeah.
Go get it.
Got it. Fingers.
Bring it here. Ah, she won't pick it up. She'll pick a dummy up, but she won't. She ain't never picked a bird up.
Here, right here. So, when he was younger,
Yeah.
he would do the same thing. And then, what that was, I bought one of those dummies that had a pheasant cape on it. And then he started picking feathers in his mouth again. And then
Yeah.
it's fine with it. Now he won't pick a dummy up.
I put some feathers on it one time, and then when I shot it, all the feathers flew. Good girl. Come on.
right here.
You got one?
He's right in here. They're coming to it. Back up, Elijah. You see it? No, the rustling. So they were coming to it.
Bird! Up! Oh yeah, they're way right now. Okay. Look over here. Wait a minute.
I was already halfway through the squeeze when you start falling. That's another
Good girl, Piper. Good girl, John. Come on. Where am I? Come. Where you going? I'm not down there. Got her. Come on, go. Bring me a bird. Come on, I'm up here. You don't want to run down and pass me. Come on. Up here. Good job. Good job. Here you go. Here, Annie. 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 Here you go. Here you go. Annie. Annie. Got a broken wing. This Piper here, down to let her have it. Good girl, Piper. Good girl. Good girl. Learn how to bring him back. Whoa. She got
There it is. I see it.
She sees it too, didn't she?
Yeah. It's right there in front of her.
Yield up there.
It's running. It's running.
Okay. Keep the bird.
Here, Annie. Over here. Over here. Annie. Up here. Annie. Come. Up here.
Bird.
Over here. Over here. Come on. Up here it is. Hey, up here.
Got her up here.
Over this way, not that way. Must have been in there or something. Come on up here.
You must have cut up through it there or something.
I did. I thought I seen it cross up here.
Bet it's under that pine tree in front of you.
It's right here somewhere, maybe. She's standing right here.
Yeah.
Okay. He's right here somewhere. I see him. Right for Danny. Right now.
Huh?
So 410s, I let people use. They use 410s.
Well,
I let them use 4-shot.
Yeah.
Oh, she caught it.
Huh?
There she comes. Take it up there. Ah, I should have choke was on.
I could have shot, but it was too low to the dogs there for a minute.
Was it 12?
Yeah.
She come out of the weeds with it. Annie, look in here. Come on. You done?
Annie, up here.
She's right here beside me. She's on something else.
I see weeds moving.
He's over too.
Yeah.